All right, let's settle in. Imagine me sitting right across from you, having a heartfelt conversation, just like two close friends. Today, we're going to talk about something that's not just a topic, but a reality we all face: retirement. It's one of life's biggest milestones, isn't it? A whole chapter closing, and an entirely new one opening up. Now, before we dive in, let me tell you, the last point we're going to discuss today, that one is the most important. It ties everything together, so stay with me until the end, okay? Trust me, you'll see how it all makes sense by the time we're done. Now, retirement. It's like a breath of fresh air. Years of hard work finally wrap up, and you're handed this blank canvas to paint the rest of your life. But here's the thing. This new beginning, it needs planning, not just with your finances, but with your mindset too. And do you know who's the best guide in this journey? Those who have already walked this path, the ones who've lived it, learned from it, and now share their wisdom. So, let's start with what almost every retiree agrees on. Start saving early. Do you know why? Because time. Time is your greatest ally. The magic of compound interest can turn even small amounts into a substantial nest egg if you give it enough time. And the retirees I've spoken to? Oh, they wish they had started earlier, contributed more to their savings plans when they were young. They realize now how much those early sacrifices could have grown. But here's the twist. Saving aggressively is good, but not at the cost of your present happiness. Think about it. What's the point of entering retirement with loads of money, but feeling like you missed out on life? Those beautiful trips, that quality time with loved ones, the small joys, they're irreplaceable. So, it's about balance. Save for the future, yes, but don't forget to live in the present. Amazing, isn't it? And then there's health. Oh, this one's huge. Retirees always emphasize, take care of your health early on. You know, all the money in the world won't matter if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it. Regular exercise, eating right, and routine health checkups. These aren't just habits. They're investments in your future. Many retirees admit they wish they'd focused on their physical well-being sooner. Because as you age, medical issues, they pile up. They drain your savings and your peace of mind. So, make health a priority now. Stay active, stay sharp, and trust me, it'll make all the difference. Imagine waking up each day in retirement, feeling energetic, ready to explore hobbies, travel, or simply enjoy the peace of a healthy body and mind. Feels good, right? But retirement isn't just about finances or health. It's also about how you spend your time. Picture this. No office to go to, no set routine. For some, it's freedom. For others, it's confusion. A lot of retirees feel lost because they didn't plan how to spend their days. And let me tell you, having a sense of purpose, it's everything. Whether it's volunteering, pursuing hobbies, traveling, or simply spending more time with family and friends, it's important to know what will give you joy and fulfillment. Now here's a practical tip. Downsizing. Sounds overwhelming, doesn't it? Selling your big family home and moving into something smaller. But retirees who've done it, they say it's one of the best decisions they've made. A smaller home means less maintenance, less stress, and more freedom. Instead of being tied down by a big house, you get to focus on experiences, relationships, and living life on your own terms. Makes sense, doesn't it? And then, let's talk about the lifestyle shift. Retirement brings an ocean of free time. While that might sound exciting, it's also a big adjustment. The routine you followed for years disappears, and it's easy to feel aimless. But this is where adaptability comes in, creating new routines, exploring interests, and embracing this chapter with an open mind. It's all about being willing to adapt and make the most of this new phase. Oh, and here's a thought. Don't rule out working a little during retirement. Wait, What? Work during retirement? Hear me out. It doesn't have to be the grind we're used to. It could be part-time, freelance, or even a small side hustle. Something you genuinely enjoy. It provides extra income, yes, but it also keeps you engaged, connected, and purposeful. It's not about the money. It's about staying active and having something to look forward to. Interesting, right? Now, let's get a bit deeper. You know, all the stuff we own? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter as much as we think. Retirees often say it's the experiences and memories that stand out, not the material things. Retirement is the perfect time to shift focus from accumulating to experiencing. Simplify your life, let go of the unnecessary, and make space for what truly matters: travels, connections, and memories. And here's a reality check. Life is unpredictable. Plans might change. Health, finances, interests, they're all dynamic. So, being flexible, that's the key. Maybe you can't travel as much as you hoped, or your financial situation shifts. Instead of frustration, it's about adapting. Finding joy in local adventures, or discovering new hobbies. Flexibility helps you embrace whatever comes your way with grace. Finally, the harsh truth about unexpected expenses. Emergencies can shake even the best financial plans. Medical bills, home repairs, or family needs, they can pop up anytime. That's why an emergency fund is essential. It's not just about money, it's about peace of mind, knowing you can handle surprises without losing stability. Feels reassuring, doesn't it? And now, the most important point: staying connected. Retirement can get lonely if you're not intentional about maintaining relationships. Without the daily interactions from work, it's easy to feel isolated. Retirees say it's crucial to nurture friendships, family bonds, and community ties. Regular meetups, phone calls, or even joining clubs and volunteering can make a huge difference. Staying socially engaged not only boosts happiness, but also adds so much meaning to life. So, what's the takeaway here? Retirement is a journey, not a destination. Start saving early. Prioritize health. Plan your time. Be ready for surprises. Stay connected. Simplify. And above all, embrace this chapter with open arms and a flexible mindset. And now, as we wrap up, here's my request to you. If this conversation touched you, even a little, subscribe to Urban Trend. Share this video with your friends, family, anyone who might benefit. Your small step can make a big difference. Really, thank you for staying till the end. Let's keep building this connection. All right, until next time, take care and stay amazing.